Come on, babe, let's look at this.
Don't get me on camera.
You're on candid camera. Hey everyone, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of our Misfits Market, and this is all vegan and gluten-free because if you've been following along, we found out that my husband has celiac, so he has a gluten allergy, and we choose to be vegan. So here goes.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Babe!
Ah.
Probably eat some of these today.
Yeah, babe.
Probably eat some of these today.
Need this.
Probably just eat that now for dinner, breakfast.
This.
Yes.
This.
Oh, two of those.
Yeah. I think we got 2 wraps too, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we never tried these yet.
No, these are looking so good. Pure tortilla joy.
Yeah, yeah. Got your cukes.
Oh, nice. Well, the cucumber salad.
What's these? Ooh, I forgot about these.
What's that? I forgot about that completely. Are they muffins?
Yeah. I'm bluffing with my muffin.
What? We're having coffee right now, babe.
You want this piece of cilantro?
Yeah, thank you.
Got some potatoes.
Ooh, we need that today. Small bag.
Ooh.
Turn the oven off. Ooh, I forgot about that. Put that right in the freezer.
And this.
Forgot about those.
And I think that's it.
What are these? Are these like French fries?
Yeah, French fries, potatoes, dill pickles up your nose.
Okay,
I think that's it. And then it has the little thing in here.
Could have made with potatoes, chickpea, and cauliflower.
Oh yeah. Grand total? Grand total is $38.96. And again, I'm not sponsored by them. This is just a place that I shop, but I do have a referral code down below if you want to use it, and you'll get a discount, and so will I. I love you guys so much.